Please be sure those small electronic devices are in aircraft mode or game mode. The larger laptops off and stowed. Thanks.
Outdoors are armed with a pushback.
That'll make the time go by fast. Picture. Wi-Fi. See if we know this. Come on, let's see. It's not that cool.
Sure it's an airplane mode. Thank you.
He is an idiot. I'm not from here. And Martinez up for the early dating. Way out there. You seen that guy lately? He looks like Kaczynski.
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. If we can have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out safety features. To fasten that seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle to release lift up from the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn tight low across your hips and all times while seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 rear exit doors. Sides overhead and lights on the floor lead to the exits. Colorful safety information card is located in that seat back pocket in front of you. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation between Dallas and Lubbock, you have a bright yellow life vest to use only when told to do so. Pull down the red strap, bring out the pouch, pull the vest out of the pouch, place it over your head, secure that vest with the black strap in front. When outside the aircraft to inflate, pull on the red tab or blow into the red tube at your shoulder. JJ and Lois are coming by to check that those seatbelts are fastened. Seat backs and tray tables in their full upright and locked position, and all those carry-ons are completely under the seat in front of you. Smoking is never allowed on board. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance. With all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. 2 lavatories on board, one in the rear of the aircraft, one up here in the front. If you want to look right up here, if there is a red X up here, this is your indication that someone is in the forward lounge with the door locked. If we could kindly ask you to wait in your seat, come up one at a time, we'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you think you might want to use the forward lounge, please do not form a line in the forward aisle or anywhere in or around the forward galley area, and we do thank you for your cooperation with it. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure should one occur, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, simply pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place that mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by uniform crew member. And finally, if you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put on your mask first. Once again, thanks so much for coming along with us. We have a very quick flight into Lubbock, gate to gate, 1 hour, 9 minutes, and we will have a drink service along the way. Once again, folks, welcome aboard.